These are some of the videos I generated using this amazing AI tool called Luma, completely for free. You can either generate videos using prompts or convert images into videos. To know how to do this on your own, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. To open Luma AI, click on the first link given in this video's description. You will see a page like this. Click on Try Now here. Click on Sign In with Google. And then use any of your email IDs to sign in. After signing in, you can enter your text prompts over here, or you can simply use some existing prompts available here. After entering the prompt, click Enter or click here, and the AI will start generating your video. Since this is the free version, the video takes quite some time to generate. Once your video is ready, you can hover over it or click on it to view. As you can see, our first video is really amazing and in high quality. You can scroll below and click here on Download. This AI tool generates videos about 5 seconds long, so you can click here on Extend to extend your videos. Let us try a new prompt. A beautiful sunset at a beach with palm trees, no humans. Click Enter and let us see the final result.
A few moments later.
This output is really amazing and looks very real as well. Now let us get to the second method of generating videos, which is by using images. Click here on the image icon and upload an image of your choice. I am selecting an anime character here. Then you can enter the prompt. Swinging the sword, generating ripples of lightning. Now what I did was use the same image and prompt twice to see the results, and I must say both the outputs are really amazing. In the first video, our character is stationary and the camera movement is great. The second video looks just like an animated fight scene, however the face changes slightly. Another method you can use for image to video is without entering any prompt and allowing Luma to do its own magic. Here is another image that I uploaded and did not give any prompt. Here is the video output, which is awesome. There is a slight error towards the end, but overall this video is great. Since we are using the free version, we can generate only 30 videos in a month and a maximum of 20 videos in a day. To generate more videos and get even faster results, you can click here on Account and choose from the plans available. Choosing the yearly plans gives you a 20% discount. If you want to know how you can use AI to generate captions for your videos, you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.